When I get to a field, I typically like to dig 5 consecutive roots from 4 different parts of the field. So for this demonstration, we're gonna dig this plant right here. I typically like to take about 1 foot to 1.5 foot cube of soil around the root. The next thing I do is make a handle out of the root off of the stalk. So I just chop it so I can carry it to the pressure washer. I like to knock off some of the excess dirt. So now that we've dug the roots, we're going to dunk them to knock off some more extra dirt, and then also to float larvae if there are any. Now we'll evaluate the roots and see what they look like. So when we rate roots, we rate them on the 0 to 3 node injury scale. I typically look for discoloration or scarring along the root. Here at first look, I can see some channeling where the larvae have been actively feeding. There's a discoloration and a channel that goes along this root. Between this root and the other root we just dug here, we're definitely seeing some yield impact from rootworm feeding. So I would definitely recommend below ground trait such as a SmartStax.